Carlos with Permapier Foundation Repair Company. We're evaluating your house today for the structural integrity of the foundation here. What we found here at the property is we do have many points of stress here at the home. This is the home front to back. Everything in red is the bad area. Everything in green is okay, and everything in blue means that you have kind of a hump or a little bump in the middle of the floor there in the back master bedroom, or what we called room 2 here on your property, which tells us that you may have something going on plumbing wise. But first, what we need to look at is your structural integrity of the property. So what we're going to be utilizing for piers is a steel-bodied hybrid pier, which is a steel-bodied interlocking tube pier with a cable running through it. The cable has a catch at the bottom, so it can catch a bottom lip at the bottom of the pier, and then we pull tension on the cable to make the pier tight and connect. We also pour a cementitious grout through the middle of the tube so no water can get in there. And then we have a concrete cap that goes at the very top, and that's why it's called a hybrid pier, because it's mostly steel, but the top portion of the pier and a few cylinders are going to be concrete. But we do it that way because of the soil type that you're sitting on. So the soil type that you're sitting on is not like some of your neighbors around here to the left of you, or actually to the north of you in this area. Those guys are sitting on Houston black soil. You're sitting on what's called Austin Castafin complex. It has a depth of about 71 centimeters before we start hitting rockier soils. It's derived from chalk, so we have to use a hybrid pier, which is this style of pier here, okay, because we have all different styles here for different types of soils. But we're going to be utilizing this hybrid pier on your property to make sure that we get the depth required for this home, okay, and the lift required for this home. So what we're going to do to stabilize the property, or in the areas that are red, we have -1. So this red line is a contour line, -1, -2, -3. So we have 3 inches down, and this is why we have so much stress focused in this area of the property right over here. And
Is
then
that
down
the front
this
of the
wall line.
house?
Yes, that's the front of the house.
So the front of the house has a lot of the stress.
Right. And if you go outside, there's a lot of stress going on here. Fascia separating, the windows separating out here. We got a lot of fascia and kind of your molding around the outside perimeter of the property is also separating in kind of the front door area here. So what we need to do is put these 24 piers in. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those are going to be interior to the garage. So we're not going to have to put any piers inside the house or break out your kitchen tile or the kitchen dining room or anything like that, or the wood floors. But we do need to go through the garage floor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 will be inside the garage, and they will be patched breakouts here. So we're going to repatch them when we're finished. We're going to saw cut it, and then when we're done, we'll repatch the surface for you.
Right, I seen you do that.
Yes, and we have pictures of actually what that looks like.
How are you going to handle the living room area?
The living room area over here, this is the dining and living room area.
Yeah.
This is all outside piers.
Downing. Oh, okay. So you can get under the house.
Yeah, we can get under the house from the outside over here.
Okay.
But this is too much deflection over here, so I got to put piers over there so I can lift
Got it.
that garage area. So again, these circles with the X's are areas that we have to physically go through concrete somewhere. There's an area that either A, has a wood deck or a concrete patio or something that we have to cut through. It's not dirt. Okay, so we're going to have to make a patch there, and we do make a nice tight square patch so that way when you go to sell your home, it won't look unsightly, to the property. And of
Right.
course we are bonded in